Hey guys, welcome back to another video. This video I'm doing a little different. Sorry if you hear background noises in this video. I'm doing it a little different because we are gonna be doing Royal High videos. If you ever want me to go back to the what is it called? Bloxburg videos, like making houses. That took a lot of time actually. If you ever want to see that again, you can just comment and I can finish the house if you really want. But I'm probably going to go back to Royal High. But also, as you can tell, my computer's a little, it's like whenever I move or teleport somewhere, it just turns pink and it's like a little bit of a virus. But I can still play and make videos. So I'm gonna do that. So yeah. And also in this video I'm gonna be showing tips and tricks that you guys need to know. So the first one, so basically there's the lucky spin wheel and the computer login and fountain of dreams that you could do. But the computer login and the lucky spin wheel could get you more things. But the fountain of dreams could get you a halo. A halo. If you don't know what a halo is, it's a really rare thing accessory that you can get, and it's really hard to get. So if you ever really want to get it, then I recommend getting it. Trying to get it from Fountain of Dreams, but it's really hard. And Fountain of Dreams takes 3 hours. To do it again, the lucky spin wheel and computer login take 20 hours. 20 hours. But it's the morning, so I can't do those yet. But I'm gonna at least show you where you go to do it. You could just teleport from the phone if you have them up already. But just to know, you go to Earth or Apartment. For the lucky spin wheel, you go to Earth. And you go over here. Okay, sorry. I just had to put something on. Okay, there. Now I have to go faster. Oh, if you ever want to know how to go faster, at the bottom of your screen, this is for computer, whatever device you play on. Xbox. Can you play Xbox on the Royal High? I have no idea. But basically, you click on the wheel. It does not say this, don't worry. And then it gives you 2 chests as options. And then see how this person won? They say I want both shades. It's just sunglasses, basically. Yeah. And you could win diamonds too. Just to be aware, the diamonds are this one, this one, this one, this one, this one, or this one. But the worst thing on here is probably nothing. But if you already have something on the wheel that it gave you, it will just give you 300 diamonds instead. Because that happened to me. And now let's go to computer login. Oh, and also it gives you 2, the lucky spin wheel gives you 2 chests. It's 1 and number 2. I usually pick number 1. That looks really strange how I put it. But anyways, I normally pick number 1, chest number 1, because I have no idea what number chest number 2 does. And whenever I watch YouTube videos of it, then I always I always see people like doing chest number 1. I never see anybody doing chest number 2. But like I don't really watch really live videos. And yeah. So you go to your computer, it's over here. First you have to make an apartment if you're like really new. And then like it shows how much diamonds you get for the day. And yeah. But another thing while I'm here is that you can do is you can go to sleep. Yeah, that might sound boring, but it's like good because this is your energy and it goes all the way up. And then you see this star? This is your levels. If you're new. This video is mostly for beginners. Your levels go up, and when you're finished sleeping, yeah, it goes up, obviously, like I said, and if you make it all the way up, then it just repeats the steps. Mine is really close to getting there, and then you get a level. Say you're on level 5, you get level 6. Yeah, you go up 1 level. And then you get 300 diamonds. Which might seem like a lot, but it's not too much. It's only like a lot for Sunset Island. Because when you're at Sunset Island, here, I'll go there. When you're at Sunset Island, it doesn't like, if you're playing the game, then whenever you're like playing it, it gives you intermission, and then, yeah, it gives you intermission, and then you go over here. You see how much goes like pink over here? I don't know if you guys can see it, but I definitely can. But it goes away after a while. And then you write your name here so that you can be on the board. And then it gives you, you don't have to read this. It says welcome to the pageant. And then you can do, this is Mr. Max. I do Mr. because obviously I don't like doing Max. And then you do done, get dressed and prep for the pageant. But then sometimes it gives you intermission, but sometimes you're in the middle of the round. And then it gives you a theme. See up here it says pageant theme. And then you go with the theme and dress as the theme. And then people vote for you, and you can also vote for other people. How you vote is you click on them, and then you give them a rose. I'll play a game to demonstrate what I'm talking about. Okay guys, so I paused the video, and now it's the theme. Your favorite holiday / season. So you have to dress up as like winter or like, I'm just gonna dress up wintry, because yeah, I don't think you would be wearing these in the winter. Or these. I don't know. Batman. No. Listen. Okay, I'm not gonna show you all of what I'm doing, but I'm just doing winter because that's the easiest one for me right now. But yeah, I'm not gonna be able to show you all of it. Okay, so this is my outfit. I'm doing like a winter type of theme. It's not too good, but like I'm just like getting through this because I'm showing you guys what it's like. I might play actual rounds in the future, but I'm gonna do like everything. And yeah. And now we have 5 minutes 50. 5 seconds. And yeah, I'm gonna wait for it to timer to go down, and I'll show you guys what it's like, so that maybe beginners can do it as well. Okay. So I waited for the time to go down. It's ready. That's all I'm saying. And where's me? I'm probably behind this person. Yeah, see my name. And basically, what they do is they bring a lot of people up here, and then they say something like the question at the top. But if you're on a tablet, that's kind of bad. Or a phone, because then it just like cuts off the words. But if you're on a computer, then it's fine. And it just is like, do you believe stealing from a big store is wrong? Would you ever steal? And then this person, whoever's up right now, answers. And then they bring lots of other people up. But I'm gonna pause the video because this takes a little bit. Okay, so once they finish the thing, once they finish those questions that were answered, they bring you up on stage. But first, you always have to remember to sign up first before you go on, or else you won't be in the competition. And once everybody's up here, I'll show you. And you can't walk, like I'm not pressing anything. Also, you have 3 roses and you get to give them to somebody, but you can't vote for yourself. This is me. I guess this one, because they went with the theme. This person. And I just like their outfits. This person, because I like their outfit. And then once you're done, you just wait for everybody else to. Well, not everybody has to vote, but until the time runs out. And then they pick their 3 favorite ones. This is 3rd place, this is 2nd place, and then this next person is 1st. And they get lots of diamonds. And then this person, 3rd place, gets a 400 diamonds. This person, 2nd place, gets 600 diamonds. And then, 1st place gets 1,000 diamonds and 300 XP, which is a lot. Anyways, and you see how I leveled up because it gave me XP, and I got 200 diamonds, even though I didn't get any place. So you get diamonds no matter what. I recommend. Okay guys, that was the end of today's video. I hope you liked it, and I'll see y'all next time. Bye!